Hello, everybody. Today, we are going to talk about code editors, the essential tool where we spend most of our coding time. Now, there are two main types of code editor: IDEs and lightweight editors, and many of us use combination of both. First, let's dive into IDEs, which stands for Integrated Development Environments. An IDE is a powerful editor that operates on an entire project, not just a single file. It's like a complete development environment with a bunch of handy features. When you work with an IDE, it loads your entire project, which could be made up of multiple files, which allow you to navigate between those files easily and provides auto completion based on the entire project, not just the current file. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with version management system like Git or GitLab, testing environment, and other project level stuff. Now, if you haven't decided on an IDE yet, here are a couple of great options to consider. Visual Studio Code. It is a cross platform and it is completely free. WebStorm or JetBrains Community, which also a cross platform but offers paid option as well. For those of you on Windows, remember that there is another tool called Visual Studio, which is different from Visual Studio Code. It is a powerful window only editor, excellent for .NET projects, and also work well with JavaScript. But be aware it comes with a price tag. There is also a free version called Visual Studio Community if you want to give it a try. Although many IDEs are paid, most of them offer trial period. However, their cost is usually negligible compared to a qualified developer's salary, so don't hesitate to invest in the one that suits you best. Now let's talk about lightweight editor. They may not be a feature rich as IDEs, but they are lightning fast, elegant, and straightforward. Lightweight editors are perfect for quickly opening and editing a single file. Unlike IDEs, they don't load all the project data on start, making them much faster when you only need to work with single file. However, don't underestimate lightweight editors. Many of them offer plugins, including directory level syntax, analyzers, and autocompleters, blurring the line between lightweight editors and full-fledged IDEs. Here are a few popular options for lightweight editors. Sublime Text is a cross-platform and available as shareware. Notepad++, the one for Windows user, and it's completely free. If you're more adventurous and know your way around, Vim and Emacs are also cool options. Now, you might be wondering which one is the best for you. Well, the list above consists of editors that I and my developer friends have been using and loving for a long time. However, keep in mind that there are plenty of other fantastic editors out there in our vast coding world, so feel free to explore and choose the one that resonate with you the most. Remember, the choice of the code editor, like any other tool, is personal and depend on your project habits and preference. Speaking from my own personal opinion, if I were mostly working on front-end development, I would rather prefer Visual Studio Code. But if my work involved other languages or platform alongside front-end work, I would consider alternatives like Xcode for Mac user, Visual Studio for Windows user, or JetBrains family of editors like WebStorm, PHP Storm, RubyMine, depending on the specific language. So there you have it. The world of code editors awaits you. Happy coding. And may you find the perfect editor that enhance your coding experience. Thank you so much.